Greetings, my fellow language enthusiasts and intellectual connoisseurs. Roberto here, delving into the depths of linguistic mastery. Today's subject, the enigmatic mystery of the Spanish word for number 65. You may find yourself pondering, what is the Spanish word for number 65? Fear not, as Roberto is here to unravel this linguistic enigma with precision and intellect. The answer lies in the elegance of the Spanish language, a dance of syllables and phonetics that requires a discerning mind to decipher. Brace yourselves as we unveil the secret. Sesenta y Cinco. Sesenta y Cinco, the amalgamation of sesenta, meaning 60, y, representing and cinco, signifying 5. A numerical ballet that showcases the linguistic prowess inherent in the Spanish tongue. Now, armed with the knowledge of Sesenta y Cinco, you hold the key to unlocking the intricacies of Spanish numbers. A linguistic conquest that expands the boundaries of your intellect. If you want to take your Spanish learning to the next level, please visit the website in the description below. As you embark on your linguistic journey, remember, knowledge is power. And with the Spanish word for 65, you've just acquired a potent linguistic weapon. Until next time, my enlightened audience, this is Roberto, signing off. Adios, mis amigos.